Hello everybody, we are here today at Disney Springs for really two things. One, right behind me, World of Disney, and then two, we're here to see Dreams That Soar, the brand new drone show here at Disney Springs. We have some very exciting news to be sharing with you later today, and we'll be answering your questions here in a little bit, so stick with us.
Olivia has been asking for a suitcase, like every time we go to any storage suitcase, she wants one.
And this is perfect for her, and it's only a whopping $44.99, $45. And if you have your annual pass order discount, it's even cheaper.
Oh, yeah, even better.
Yep.
Here we go.
Right now we are inside of World of Disney. It is pretty chaotic. Right in the kids section currently, in the Minnie Mouse area, you will find those suitcases. Look at Olivia go. She's a natural. She's a natural. Hint, hint for something later. Hint, hint. What could that be? I don't know. You have to stick around later. What? Who's on your chocolate, Amelia?
Minnie.
Who?
Minnie.
Let me see. Minnie Mouse. There you go. All right, gonna go put this back in the car real quick. I don't want to carry this the whole night. Now we're just going to be able to kill some time and wait it out for Dreams That Soar, the brand new drone show. Over 800 drones. I'm pumped, and I can't wait to show you guys too. If security is any indication how this night will go, it's gonna be busy. It's gonna be packed. Alright, so just want to provide a little update for you guys. So you have Cirque, and you have House of Blues, and then the viewing area. You come right along this way. You can already see some people lined up back over there. But yeah, this is pretty much the entry point for Dreams That Soar. It's way back over here in this corner. And, ooh, too close. And from what I understand, we as a cast member, this is for the 9 o'clock showing, the first showing. They open up the area for viewing at 8 p.m. People start lining up as early as 7 p.m. as of right now. So just keeping that in mind, timeline for you. I'll let you guys know where we kind of are. We're here 7:40 right now, so we have 20 minutes until the line officially opens for people to go in and get their spots. Nuts. This is just a line to get into a line. All right, this is it. All right, 8:10, 8:10, we're moving. And look at the line going past Cirque and House of Blues already.
As we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
I see.
Come on, everybody. Here we go. There it is, Wendy. Seconds down to the right, straight on till morning. The mind wonder of the universe. The wild flying elephant. Dumbo.
Amelia, Dumbo. You love it? It's up! Oh, wow.
My name is Doug. I have just met you and I love you.
I like how the house moves. Coco.
You are a mystery guy. Who's the mystery guy? You are.
special. Magic.
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's no moon. It's a space station.
All wings report in. Red 5 standing by.
Fire! Coming in, point 3!
Watch that crossfire, boys.
Watch it, you've got one on your tail!
I have you now.
Come in, primary engine.
Use the Force, The Force is strong with the Force.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
The Force will be with you. Always.
Oh, Baymax. Girls,
I
Baymax.
am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Wow, Olivia, how do you do that?
Baymax, wings. Thrusters. Flying makes me a better healthcare companion. Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance on, bro.
You gotta dance, Olivia. You gotta dance. There you go.
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe.
Uh-huh, I see
Those who
that.
dance and those who do not.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy. Did that look cool? Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity.
Whoa.
There's a place.
All right, Olivia, what did you think of the drone show? Dreams that Soar.
Good.
What was your favorite part?
Um,
I know, there's lots.
I liked all the characters.
All the characters? Yeah, that was good. Good, I'm glad you liked it. All right, so real quick, from our perspective, sorry, lighting bad. From our perspective is, it was better than I thought it was gonna be. We saw when it first came out, the first few days was complete chaos. And I feel like Disney learned a lot since then. So it was a really seamless transition, leaving, parking garage. It really wasn't that bad. There were some crowds, but it was manageable and it wasn't like a standstill at any point leaving today. Even in the parking garage, it was slowly moving. So that is a win. The drone show, amazing. Absolutely loved it. Would love to see it at the parks. I know Disneyland Paris does the drones with the fireworks and the fountains. So love to be able to see that one day in person, but that'll be years down the road, I'm sure. We'll see you in 2 seconds for Q&A, and we'll be answering your questions here soon. So, and a little surprise. Okay, you guys, we are at home. We asked the questions. There's Ghost Cannoli. It's short notice because Carrie is leaving for a work trip this week, so I wanted to make sure she gets in the videos here, and she'll be here in like 2 seconds. But let's ask some of the first questions. Model Wife, Mama Life asked a couple of them, so thank you very much for that. First one is favorite resort, and for me, I will probably say Polynesian. Let's bring Carrie in. All right, Carrie, favorite resort, camera magic.
Polynesian is definitely my favorite. I like the atmosphere. As kids say now, vibes.
Vibes, yeah.
But I love, I just love the overall theming and being able to see the Magic Kingdom fireworks right from outside.
Yeah, I agree. Next question from, go back. What is your go-to meal spot in each park? I'm assuming just quick service. I'll say Magic Kingdom, both of ours is Pecos Bill.
Yes.
For the nachos?
The nachos.
The nachos, they were great. Highland Studios.
Well,
I don't know. I mean,
Olivia makes us go to
ABC Commissary
every single time.
Yeah.
But that's not really my favorite.
I would probably say Backlot
Backlot
Express for us. All right, so we agree on that. I feel like Woody's Lunchbox doesn't have like a lot of good options, so it's usually between Epcot. There could be a pretty good non-food booths, just like the regular non-food booths, just the regular stuff.
We always go to, what's it called?
I will say I don't know what it's called, but we do like. Yeah.
Is it Connection?
Connections. I was gonna say like the fish and chip spot in UK.
Oh yeah, I love
because that's there year round. Do you want to change your answer then? Or do you want to do?
Well, we're saying where do we frequent the most, or where do we always go?
What did it say? What is your go-to meal spot in each park?
Our go-to is Connections. But a lot of our go-tos are because it's super easy and
it's
quick,
convenient,
and it has something that the girls will like as well.
Yeah.
So
that is true.
I wouldn't say it's the best options,
but it's for us the go-to.
The options.
And then that leaves Animal Kingdom, which I would say Flame Tree Barbecue would be our go-to spot.
Oh yes.
For that.
Because they have great views too.
Great views.
Great food.
Yeah.
And they have cornbread, and I love.
You love cornbread. You love cornbread. All right, and then one more question from her. Do you guys ever use Genie Plus, or is it just standby? We do use Genie Plus not as often anymore as we like to. Amelia now is a paid ticket, so she's now a paid Genie Plus.
It's
so
like a ridiculous amount. If you're like locals don't usually use Disney Plus. Like it maybe like
Genie
once
Plus, yeah.
or what do they call it?
Disney Plus, Genie Plus.
We do use Disney Plus.
Yeah.
Genie Plus, not so often. Like a rare occurrence.
Yeah, we just do it like special occasions or families in town.
If families
really.
in town, then we get it. But no, when we used to travel here for vacation, yes, of course.
Yeah.
Because it's a must if you're on vacation.
That's why you guys get Dumbo or Little Mermaid a lot, and not so much, Big Thunder or Tron, but we try to do different things here or there and spread it out. We'll highlight a couple things and we'll answer a few more questions. So Carrie's traveling to Arizona, she's going to Phoenix this week. We're filming on June 2nd this week, and then the following week when this video posts, that week we'll be traveling back to Chicago. So all 4 of us plus Cannoli will be coming with us back to Chicago. We'll be there for pretty much 6 days. I don't think we'll break out the videos for the Chicago trip. We'll just cram them all into one. I kind of learned a lesson, and you were right, for the Disneyland videos, that I wanted to try and drag them out as long as I could. And so at that point, I just kind of feel like for a trip like this, it's better just to kind of cram it all in and do one. So that's what we're going to do.
When people are watching videos, because I know for myself, when we watch videos, I like to know what's going on in the moment. So when you're posting a video that happened a few weeks ago, you've already lost my interest. So I'm telling Mark that he needs to speed up the process.
So that's what we're gonna kind of do with this one. So just more of an FYI for you guys. When we do get back, we'll post a one video highlighting all the stuff that we do. So that will be good. That's kind of why Olivia got the suitcase from World of Disney earlier in this video. So she's wanted her own. She's excited. We're excited to go back, visit family, and try some different things out. Maybe go to the city, do some more stuff.
We'll see.
Stuff around. So yeah, It'll be fun. And then the last question that you and I have, the last one's for the girls. How long have you and Carrie been together? How long have you two lived in Florida? So we met in 2011, engaged 2016, married in 2018. And then the Florida part?
We moved to Florida 2 years. It's been 2 years now, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
2 years.
June,
pretty much.
like June officially. Yeah, we moved 2 years ago. Yeah.
And it's June.
2 years.
So 2 years.
So get this, we lived longer now in California, or we lived longer here in Florida than we did in California.
Really?
We were just shy of 2 years in California before
we moved a lot.
Moved back. Yeah, yeah.
We've been all over the place.
Crazy to think about, but yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So here to stay here in Florida, we like it. Olivia's doing kindergarten in August, so she starts. Amelia's still doing her thing at preschool, so. But that will be it. Safe travels on your trip. Hope you guys will join us on our Chicago trip and our adventures. Our Instagram handles below, so we'll post a few things live, and they'll do one long video later. We got Olivia's and Amelia's answers here.
Oh yeah.
Right now. All right, Olivia. You can tell Mama's not home. Your hair's down. All right, Stephanie asked, "What is your favorite snack at Disney?" So, do you have an answer?
The beignets.
The beignets? Oh, not what I expected you to say. That's a good answer. Amelia, your turn. What is your favorite snack at Disney?
She said beignets.
She said beignets too. It's not.
She said lemon.
Is it a Mickey pretzel?
Or is it the beignets?
Or is it the beignets?
The beignets donut.
Or is it the Olaf ice cream?
I.
Yeah, you like the Olaf ice cream, the strawberry lemonade?
Oh yeah.
Alright everybody, well that is going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you loved the drone show, and hopefully you'll be able to go and see it for yourself if you're coming this summer to Disney Springs. It's a great show, must see, 2 times per night, 9 and I believe 10:30, 10:45, I forget what the second one is. I think it's 10:45. But anyways, tomorrow, if you're watching this the day that the video posts, tomorrow we'll be going to Chicago and traveling, so make sure you stay up with us, follow our Instagram.
Tomorrow we'll go to Chicago?
No, when the video posts. Next week. Next week. Silly.